2012 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, running boards, traction control, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, power windows, compass, remote power door locks, trip computer, daytime running lights, tachometer, heads-up display, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, power heated outside mirrors, trailer hitch receiver. Come take a test drive today.